Hey guys, let's do something constructive today. I am Prasanna. I welcome you to Empower Education. Let's see geometrical constructions. Please watch this video till end, and if you like, don't forget to share and subscribe. So friends, let's see how to divide a given line into the given ratio. Say this is a line AB which we have to divide into the given ratio, that is 3:2. So how do we do that? From point A, a ray in any direction. Say, let's call it AX. Now we have to divide this AX into 5 equal parts. Now why 5? Because 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now take a compass, take certain distance and put marks 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the work has composed been done. Now let's name the points. Let's call it A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Now let's join the point B and point A5. Now you have to draw a line parallel to BA5 which will go from A3. Now why A3? Because we need to divide this line into 3:2. So 3 parts from here and 3 parts to here. So how do we draw parallel lines? Take a protractor and measure the angle A, A5 and B. So if you see, this angle is 75 degrees. So take the same angle, put your tip at A3 and mark at 75 degrees. Okay. And by using ruler, just join these 2 points. Thus, we have divided the line into 3:2 ratio. Let's call this point as C. So AC upon CB will be 3/2. I hope you understood. Thank you.